Hi, this is Chris from Fanatical Software. Today I wanted to give you a quick overview of how Flash Reports enables refreshing your QuickBooks Online finance data directly in Excel. As you can see here, I'm connected to 3 QuickBooks Online companies, and this essentially enables me to report on all 3 of them either in the same sheet or to use an existing report and just toggle between different companies. I'm able to do this through this list of values function, and there I'm currently reporting on Stark, but I can go and switch to any one of these others, and there we can see just the values refreshing in this report. How does that happen? How this works is essentially through the use of this formula of Flash reports. This formula essentially just is made up of referencing other cells in this workbook and populating the formula with what's needed in order to go and find new balances within QuickBooks Online. So as an example, I need certain parameters. Company comes from A1, I need start and end dates, actual versus budget, and I need accounts. So then whenever a value is then refreshed, right, then it goes over and the query gets passed back over to QuickBooks Online and goes and finds those values. What this enables then is a lot of flexibility in my report. As an example, this column B here, I'm reporting on actuals, but let's just say I quickly want to report on actuals versus budget. All I need to do is essentially go and copy column B over to column C, so normal Excel copy-paste functions. And in this field over here, I've got this as a list of values function. And here I have all my budget versions that are available to me in QuickBooks, which I can read. And I'm just selecting my budget version. And now this column is all my budget values. Very quickly then, standard Excel, I'm using that just to calculate a variance as an example. There we go, right? And now I've got a variance value over here. I can use Excel just to calculate those values down for me. My formatting, I can also just copy over. But also what I'm going to do, let's just say I want to go and choose this now for a different period. So all that I'm going to do is just have my dates reference, one parameter. And then with my list of values function, currently I'm reporting on year to date. Let's just have a look now in terms of last quarter. As you can see, as soon as I basically choose and change that date parameter, which is referenced through all of these cells, it updates all of these values, including my variance column. This is just a quick example of how flexible and easy it is to use Flash reports. To learn more and see other videos of other use cases, including departmental reporting, class reporting, visit our website and watch the videos at Fanatical Software.